So continuing from the previous game where it told me that it's a logic puzzle where the player must guess a secret 4-digit code, and there was a reference to mastermind or Wordle. So the next prompt I provide to ChatGPT is create the Wordle game. So it understands the prompt and it's a 5-letter secret word, lets the player guess and gives color coded feedback for it. So it's a mini Wordle game. So it finds a mini Wordle game. Here is the code for it. So it's a simple, if we stop this thing, it's I think within 160, 170 lines of code. And once we start running it, now we have this six chances to guess, and then basic, maybe I will choose the first word. The word is not in the list. Then I said amber. Okay. So what is on the list? So it has a limited number of words. So let's get some idea of what words are there in the list. I think I remembered. So it has A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So around 10 words, and it has, you have to guess within these 10 words. So if we guess apple or frost, maybe let's see. Let's guess frost first. So then it gives nothing, none of the words match. And if we have apple, then P matches. So that's how we can see that one by one the words, like the Wordle standard rules. If the letter is there, it's how to play, type a 5-letter word. Green tiles means correct letter in correct position, yellow is correct in wrong position, and gray tiles no. So FROST is definitely not in the word. Would you like me to help a larger dictionary? Yeah, so let's call it, tell it to give me a larger dictionary. Give me a larger dictionary. So let it run with that. So what we'll do is it will update the code. If we stop this right now, we'll see it will go line by line. The styles remain the same, which is the style tag. This remains same. The dictionary becomes bigger. So the dictionary now has A, B, C. Okay, so each of the characters, and there I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Around 10 cross 10. So it's 100 word. So now we have dance, eagle, favor, gloom, all these words are there. We'll try those words. So this is a bit limited because we don't have the entire dictionary, but so let's run this one. I had dance, I had eagle, I had gloom. So I can test all these words. So none of these letters are there. So option 1, add more words to the list if you want to allow, and option 2, separate secret words and valid guesses. Short list of and a large list of valid guesses. So update, it gives some update. So this is a good point from where which can be extended. This can be extended, multiple other enhancements can be done. There can be sound or other different enhancements can be made to this code, and this is a good point of starting. So let's look at the previous game that I had before this mini Wordle came in. That was also a very good game, Cyber Codebreaker, the Jungle Explorer. So if we look at the Jungle Explorer, let's stop this. Let's run the canvas. So if I select this one, so it says use arrow keys, collect all treasures, and avoid the animals. So animals are the red square. So if you hit the red squares, you are caught by wild animal, game over. But if you are, the yellow squares are the supposedly the treasures. So you have to go for the yellow squares first. If you go to the yellow, you'll be collecting those. So I have collected all the yellow squares, and at the last point it will say I've collected all the treasures, you win. So that is, now we can enhance this. We can add like instead of squares, those can be actual emojis like the our player. So those things can be done, but the basic framework of the game is in place and it's working. So with this we'll go to the next game.